awesome was this shark. It was a grey nurse shark, and I hadn't been diving with them in a while, and it was great to be back in the water and seeing those incredible critters underwater. I went to Byron Bay about a week and a half ago to dive with them, and I was super late during the day. We're diving with Rachel and her family, and so I didn't shoot much on the day, hence why I'm doing this now. But I did have the GoPro with me, and the red filter and the light, which made a big difference. If you're interested in that, we'll skip or stay until the end of the video, because I'll be showing some before and after. And so now I'll just show you a bit of the b-roll, how we went on the boat and everything, and then some more marine life with some very relaxing music. And I'll be talking about the sharks and the other shark and the other things we saw a bit later. Stay tuned and enjoy. How good is diving? Even if the whiz wasn't the greatest and there was a bit of current, it was awesome. I always love being on the water and seeing and filming and photographing and just being there. It was just incredible, and I love that spot. Julian Rocks in Byron Bay is an amazing dive and snorkel site. If you don't know how to dive and just want to go for a snorkel, it's really cool. You see a lot of turtles and other things. The shark we were diving with was a grey nurse shark, as I mentioned before. It's an endangered species of shark, and they grow up to 3 meters. They're harmless if unprovoked, and they're a great dive buddy. So if you ever have the chance to go underwater and experience diving with grey nurse shark, I would highly recommend it. On the technical side of things, as I mentioned as well before, so I was diving with the GoPro 6 red filter and the light, and I often see people going diving and taking their GoPros on holidays and coming back saying, oh, it's rubbish, it's all green, the footage is disgusting, it's not like in the ads. And it's definitely not the greatest to start with, so I'll just show you how it looked like out of the camera and how I graded it now. And the other things we saw were wobbegong sharks, which are really, really cool sharks as well. And the loggerhead turtle, which that was also really cool. It was massive. There's nothing to put it like a scale, but it was huge. It's just so cool to see those massive turtles underwater. Some of my friends went diving a few days later, and so I'm pretty sure the exact same turtle that was feeding on the rocks, and that was an incredible sight. I saw their footage, and it looks amazing. So that'll be me for this one. There's not much, but I hope you enjoy seeing the wildlife. I hope you enjoy seeing the before and after GoPro, and if you have any questions on grading GoPro footage, let me know. I'll see if I can, or let me know in the comments, and I'll see if I can help. Until the next one,